Hello my dear Lisas, welcome to Elyysion Beauty. This is your favorite makeup artist Ranjana Bhatia. Today I'm going to create the logo of my newly launched butter scrub. So I will create it in the Canva, and this is my logo, and now I'm going to tell you how to create it. So we will open the new window for that. So let's open new window. We will add the logo window. So first of all, we will add the copper circle that we can find in the Google search. We can search for that, and also we can find in the elements of the Canva. So whatever suits you, you can do that. Find it in the Google and or find it in the Canva elements. So I have found it in the Canva elements. So you can search it in the Google by writing copper circle designs or drawings, and you can find different kind of options in the images. Like these are the basic one, and you can find the right one in the art or design, like in the graphics. You can use any of these design for your base, and I can give you the options or idea regarding that. You can use these circles, and for your base these are different kinds of copper plate, gold plate design. You can use whatever you want, like this one in the side. You can use any of them for your design or logo or label, but I have chosen one from the Canva design, so I will be using that because it's already in my design. So these are the option you can go for, and you can remove the background and use it in the Canva as it is, right guys? So these are the design on golden, also silver, copper, whatever design you want to use, you can go for that. So let's move further. So in the Canva we will use copper circle from the elements. Write the copper circle in the search section of the elements, and you can go for graphics and you can find your copper there, copper circle there. There are a lot of options, you can choose any one of them. That can be a great idea for a beginner labor because it's more innovative, and of course it's free. So that is why, jokes apart, so I have chosen my copper circle from this Canva design, and you can use yours as well, anyone, anything you want. So I have chosen this one. I have already uploaded it, so I will be taking from that the copper circle, one without the background. This is with the background, and this is without the background, and resizing it. Now I'm going to edit it to change its color. Sorry, I forgot about that. I have taken this copper circle from the Google, not from the Canva elements, but that can be the option as well for you guys. You can add the shadow in the circle as well to make it look more realistic. So you can edit the picture or add the color from the color palette to the change or your requirement. So I have added the copper color. Now I'm going to add the center circle, that is the center shadow that I have added in my logo. You can see that I have filled the circle, copper circle, with the copper shadow, which is very fainty and very light one. So you can do as well. I have added it, and now I'm filling the circle with it, and I will change the color with it. As you can see in my logo that it is also of copper color, so that is why. So this one is looking good. Now same, I will change its color to copper. Yes, you can add another color as if you want to make contrast. Now I have added my logo and I will put it in the top of the center of my circle. Yeah, now I will add the heading like the crown. First of all, Elyysion Beauty. You can use any format, font, size of the color of the text that is used in the logo. I'm using the same color. I'm making the monotonous logo that is copper in shade, so I'll be doing that. So yeah, so I'll be using the color copper for the logo or for the text. So yeah, dark copper or brownish color. Now I'll be adding the text for the name of my butter scrub, that is the crown, and choosing the font size and color accordingly, so you can see that. Yeah, now I'll be add my mascot of the butter scrub, that is Scrubby. And yeah, I have created it using AI. I'll be telling you in the future how to create the mascots for your products, and I have put it below the name of the product. Now I'll be adding the few more details about the product, like what it contains, what it is all about. Yeah, Ivory crystal means salt, rock salt. Butter scrub with royal gleam. So I'll be changing the font and the size accordingly. So guys, it's done. So I'll be back with another video. Till then, bye bye, sayonara, I love you. I hope you like the tutorial. Comment next tutorial you want to see.